Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Get this baby cold started. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? I'm back with another video. I think I've come kicking it with your boy Q today, guys. I'm on my way right now to my buddy's house. Y'all know him. He got the black F-150 lifted. He's never seen the car. Actually, guys, nobody has never really seen this car. Do a little driving on the way over there. Nothing crazy, just kind of going through the gears. And yeah, see y'all in a bit. Hopefully y'all enjoying this view a little better. I have been struggling trying to get a view figured out for you all. Oh, here's a good chance for me to start on the hill. Oh, I got it, baby. A little rough. You really have to find out like when the car likes to be shifted, you know. I think I shift too early on that first, going a second. But anyway, guys, yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoying this view a little better. Took me a while to kind of get it figured out on the previous video. So if y'all was watching those videos, thank y'all for kind of bearing with me while I get it figured out. But right now, like this view, I don't know how this video look at until I start editing, so we'll see. But right now it don't really block my visibility, but literally my GoPro is like right here in front of my face. Give y'all a rev match real quick. Ooh, second gear. Then the pops on this thing. So I'm taking the back way out of where I live, and I don't know if I should have took this way because the road is like super bumpy, you know, and I had to be careful. I actually scraped the bottom last time. I scraped the bottom of the freaking car because one of the roads up here dips on one side, it dips on both sides, and the middle is just like sitting straight up. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Like, look at these big old dips and grooves right here, bro. Like, I really gotta dodge them or just like slow down, because this car it's not crazy low, but it's low in the front enough, and it's low enough to where I scraped, you know, going over that hill last time. So to practice coming out of first, but I usually, if there's a car coming, I'm not stopping at a stop sign. Here we go, nice little. I went to fifth. Do that again. There we go. That was third. Nice little pull for y'all right there. Staying in the speed limit, you know what I'm saying? Let me get another pull right here. Downshift rev match. This one 50. Woo, I got that one right there, baby. Yes, sir, I got that one right there. Go to fifth. But anyway, guys, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get over there to him, unless something else happens. Good y'all pull. Get y'all a little pull right there. I don't want just 300 think I'm trying to race him, but I just wanted to get a little pull right there. You know, boom, boom. I hit third actually pretty good. That's my thing. My hardest gears to get, guys, so far has been second to third and from fourth to fifth. And I think because those two gears, you have to go up and at an angle. So if you don't do it right, you can accidentally trying to go from fourth to fifth, shift it into third. And then on the low speeds, I try to go into third and shift it into first. So it just happens that way, man. Those probably the hardest two gears for me to get. Going backward is easy, but going up and at an angle is always kind of difficult.
That looks terrible.
Yeah, you good, bro. He said, whoa.
Let's see this. That thing nasty.
Yeah, it's clean, ain't it?
Man.
Yeah, bro. Got a nice stance on it, huh?
Baller.
Nah, you still. You ain't something to do with the lifted truck and the Audi and everything.
Hold on, that's
1 LE.
1 LE. Yeah, I'm looking. You got the 6 pistons on the front.
Yep. Man, how can you tell it's 6 piston, bro? I don't never tell.
The size of the caliber.
I can never tell.
So you got on this back, you got 4 on the back. Yeah, because.
How can you tell though? Just looking at it.
Because on the muscle cars,
yeah,
they put the bigger pistons on the front. To slow it down.
I know, but I just couldn't tell. How can you tell how big? I just couldn't tell that was 6. I get you just saying just from the size alone.
Yeah,
I just know.
I just know from the size.
You just know from the size.
Yeah, but I think if I'm counting this right, it's 1, 2, 3 on this side and 1, 2, 3 on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
bro.
Ooh, look at that front. Yo, I never know what this was. Is this really for towing?
Man, so these cars are built for track. So a lot of people tow it to the track, you know what I'm saying? They don't drive them. So I seen other Camaros with it, I seen other Camaros without it. So I don't know if he put that on there but I see now on a few Camaros.
Man, let me go get Larry and Trey, man.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yeah, they in the back.
Oh, they in the back?
Yeah, they in the
You gotta hear this joint, man, bro. It's clean though, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, it got a few blemishes since I watched it. I've been finding some stuff, that I ain't seen when I first bought it, but it's still clean.
Low.
One owner, bro. You know what I'm saying? One owner.
Yeah, that's nice.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, that's nice.
See, I wouldn't mind having this over the Challenger Charger. I mean, don't get me wrong, I still want the Hellcat. But this is dope. It's different, bro. It's clean. I think Drew would like it too. It might be unlocked. Oh yeah.
Is this velvet?
Yeah, it's Recaro seats, bro. It's the Recaro comfort seats, bro. It's low, but actually, bro, when you in there, it don't feel bad. I'm used to it now. I'm getting used to it.
Oh yeah, it ain't bad, bro.
It ain't. And actually, bro, my seat not all the way back because if I put it all the way back, I can't reach the clutch.
Ain't no sitting back here, bro.
Nah, ain't no sitting back there.
Ain't them seats. Them ain't real seats.
I can't reach the clutch if I go all the way back. So I gotta.
You can't?
So it's like up. It's not even all the way back.
Oh shoot, you got heated and cool seats.
Heated,
Baller.
cool, double AC, man. Hey, I should just go ahead and start it, bro.
Hold on. You with a key?
Oh, you don't need it. Oh, yeah, you do. My bad. I'm tripping. Yeah. It's push and start. So you got to put your foot on the brake and the clutch.
Oh, and the clutch?
Yeah, you got to push the clutch.
Hold on.
Nah, don't move my seat, man.
Oh.
Yeah, you good. Just push all the way down on your left, all the way. Yeah.
I can't reach it. I'm short. What you mean I moved and see that, boy?
All right, go ahead. It's memory seat anyway.
Oh, is it?
Look at the rear view mirror though, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
It's way better. It's a camera.
Hold on.
It's a camera.
Yeah, I know. You can switch it though.
Yeah, it's the little knob underneath. But look at the different invisibility. Switch it.
Right here?
Right, nah, the other one. To your left, left, man.
Oh,
yeah, that one. Flip it back, And you can like, it's terrible.
It is terrible.
You reverse the camera, like, man, way better.
Yeah, you can see. Hold on.
Way better. You gonna rev it? You can rev it. Oh, hold on. Put in change the mode. It's in touring mode right now. See, it says mode. You hit it down. That's sport. Yeah. And track.
I don't want a track.
Oh, you want? All right, sport fine.
Oh, let me see.
All right, just rev it. Rev's about 3K.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on. Where your joint at?
On the rev.
The RPM? Okay.
Yeah.
What is that sound there?
It pop, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I like this.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Got cool seats on there, man. On the far left, you see it? Yep. I don't know. That was in there. I think he added, so I got to figure out what that is.
You got to figure out what that say. Mute. You got a sound system in here?
I don't think so. No, ain't nothing back there. Actually, that's one of my things I hate about it. The system kind of trash.
Oh, you feel that joker coming through the gear?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man.
Yeah,
this
bro.
Is nice.
It's appreciated, bro.
Man, this is nice, bro.
It's small, but it's dope.
You ain't raced it yet?
Huh?
You ain't raced it yet, huh?
I raced the bike.
Oh, you raced the bike?
Remember I should have picked that you and Drew?
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, it's nice, bro. You got the heads up display, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the heads up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah, bro. This is nice.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh, you can what?
So that's the rev match. You got auto rev match. Click it. So rev match. So when I downshift, it rev matches for me. I ain't got to worry about trying to match the.
Yeah.
It just do it. So it's smooth.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, bro.
That's ass.
Yeah, man. Alcantara steering wheel and shit.
Everybody ain't able.
Ambient lighting, whatever, bro.
Hey, man, everybody ain't able.
Whatever, bro.
Oh, man, let me go get that. I want to know that.
All right. Yeah, you can just turn it off.
Yeah, this boy like the Batmobile. This boy still got the sticker on it.
Yeah, bro. Man. That's what I'm saying, bro. When I got this,
yeah.
I mean, I want it, like I said. But, bro, you don't see too many of these on the road.
No, you don't.
You know what I'm saying? You see charging the Hellcats all the time.
Boy, these tips nasty.
Yeah, cool.
These didn't come like this, didn't
Yeah, they did.
they? Nah, bro. You sure?
I don't think he did nothing to this. Stock is out, bro.
Bro, you think so?
Stop.
You got automatic start on it?
No.
No automatic?
Nah, because it's a manual, bro.
Oh.
They don't have auto start on it.
Oh, you gotta hear that boy start up.
You want me to start it up?
Yeah, start it up for him. Hey, y'all.
He talking, hey, y'all, he ready to talk.
Listen to this boy. Yeah, look. Woo. Hold on, let's see. Woo. Go ahead, rev it. Oh yeah. That thing sound nasty.
Oh yeah. Larry, y'all want to look inside, bro? While it's running, that's fine. It's up to y'all. No pressure, just while I got it on. Oh yeah, pop it. And that stock is out, bro.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and it's a manual. Oh, it's not open, Trey? It should be. It's a manual, bro. Yeah, it's hard to find. It's like right here. You say what, Larry?
Standard review mirror right there?
Yeah, well, actually it got the camera review and the regular review.
Massive.
Yeah, both. So that works way better. Oh,
The engine is massive.
it is, bro.
Dog, I ain't seen no engine this big.
Huge, bro. That's stock, bro.
It's stock.
And that's why I want a stock car nobody really touch.
We got hella work to do here.
I gotta learn how to drive first while I put some performance in it. But you know, it'll be
Look how much room, bro. I can get to all your belts and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, they did a good job on here.
Yep.
Yeah, you know you gotta go there first.
Yeah, man.
You gotta go there first.
Go.
You gotta put your drip can and everything in there.
Oh, your cash can and oil can and all that.
Oh yeah, Drew gonna want to put some longer downpipes on.
Oh, you gonna put some you gonna want to put some headers on there.
Yeah.
We'll get there eventually, man. I scratched the dang thing right here, bro.
Doing what?
Trying to wipe it with a microfiber cloth.
What, a microfiber?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them microfibers will get if it got metal in
It
it.
scratched it, bro. I was
Oh,
like,
that junk will look mean.
yeah, it
You're
is.
not gonna go. You ain't gonna take it a Friday night drag.
I ride it out there. Oh, I ain't show you the headlights yet, huh? The headlights been on? Let me see. Let me know when they on. They on?
Yeah, like a little cat.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You me see?
Yeah. Oh, it's down there too.
Yeah.
Oh, those are different. Or they run on the same thing.
They run all together. I think they should run all together.
It ain't like
Like West. I think when they both on, they on.
Yeah, they on.
I think. I could be wrong, bro. I'm still learning this joint.
The 19s on here.
20s and 20s.
Oh, 20s over
I think it's 20s. Cause it's 20. So 285 in the front, 305 in the back. Time. And
Yeah.
then,
You ain't did no burnout.
nah, but I can barely drive. Get out of first gear. I've been stalling the hell out of this car. So not yet, bro. It's coming though.
Don't burn out, boy. These back tires look like they don't have some heat to them.
Bro, so I like, man, this needs some new tires. He like, nah, they brand new.
That's how they look.
Just low profile.
Yeah, well, they got well, I don't want to say racing tires, but
Pretty much.
yeah, pretty much. Those got some F1 3 years on them. Boy, that's so expensive to replace.
Don't you want to talk about it?
Yeah.
Bro, gas alone, it took me $90 to fill this car up.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah.
Now he
It's
got
straight
all
what he
the
talking about.
muscle. I'm gonna go pull out my V6 turbo out the back
Bro, we got to race it.
and take off on him.
We should race it.
Take off on him.
That'll be fun. You probably gonna beat me because,
Sport mode too.
oh, Larry, see, yeah.
Sport mode, I might have to pull it out too.
Yeah, pull it out, Larry. We all line up.
Don't get burned up now.
All three of us line up. All right, guys, so I just left my boy Deron house. As I saw, they like the car, of course. I'm telling you, I mean, this car is really pretty, really pretty, excuse me, in person, guys. Great looking car. It's kind of, I ain't gonna say rare, but you don't see it too often. It's a good looking car, bro. It's your boy Q. Thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing, and we'll catch y'all next week.